Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Job Photos panel. Let's get cracking. The Photos panel in Blade allows users to capture, upload, manage, and share photos related to any job. These images support claim justification, documentation standards, and compliance with industry standards and insurance requirements. Photos can be uploaded via the desktop or captured directly using the mobile app, streamlining job site documentation and ensuring that the correct visuals are linked to the appropriate visit date. Photos are displayed by visit date. Users can upload images in two ways. They can click the Upload button to add photos, or users can drag and drop files directly onto the Photos panel. When photos are added, the system automatically prompts the user to select the corresponding job site visit date to tag the photos. Once uploaded, photos are grouped by the tag visit date. Use the group checkboxes or manually select individual photos to perform batch actions. Click the View Full Screen button to open selected images in the image gallery for high-resolution viewing while preparing invoices or reviewing work. Selected photos can also be shared using the Share dropdown. Users can print, email, or download the selected photos. When printed, Blade automatically organizes them into an optimized 9-per-page grid layout and prints each photo with its capture date and time as a photo caption. This format is ideal for inclusion in job packets or claim submission packets, especially when paired with a work authorization, invoice, and drawing documentation. Save the printed document as a PDF to your local PC, then upload it to Job Documents for this job for reference or to be merged into a report. All right, that's a good overview of the Job Photos panel. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.